Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. I also want to welcome my newcomers. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this flawless look, right? From my contouring and my highlighting session. So guys, stay tuned for this video. Remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments below. Thank you. Mwah. So first I'm going to start off with my LA Girl Pro Prep Smoothing Face Primer. So primer is used as a canvas for any other makeup application. So I'm going to add a little tip to my finger. I'm going to put that in my T-zone areas. And then I'm going to gently massage into my skin. So the primer I am using today is used to create a more even, smoother skin tone and texture. So I'm going to finish massaging that into my skin, and then I'm going to apply my foundation. I will be using my Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Skin foundation today. I'm going to put a little bit on my fingertip and I'm going to apply that to my face. I'm using matte foundation because I have oily skin. Once I'm finished, I'm going to use my foundation brush to pat that into my skin for a smoother and even look. My next application will be my Usus Pro Concealer. I'll be applying this to my T-zone areas. Includes under your eyes, on your forehead, on your nose bridge, below your nose, and your chin. Alright, so what I realized is that my first concealer is not as light as I want it to be. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my natural LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'll just mix both concealers together just to create a more even look. Ensure that the hard to reach areas on your face is blended properly around your nose, your chin, and your forehead, and under your eyes. My next step is to set the highlighted areas on my face. I'll be using my setting powder. You can use any setting powder that you like or desire. So now I'll be using my L'Oreal Hydra Perfecting Loose Powder. This is optional. Reasons for using it is because my face is a little bit too bright and I want to tone it down a little bit. Today I'll be using my RK 3D Contour Artist Cream Palette. Contouring is a technique for sculpting and adding dimension to your face. So it's all about creating the effect of shadow and light. We'll apply the contour cream under my cheekbones, on the top of my forehead, and my jawlines, and also to the side of my nose. Blend and pat to remove any harsh lines. I think the contour on my face is a little bit light, so I'm just going to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to use my brush to blend and pat for that smooth and even look. For my nose contour, I'll use a flat brush to outline and my angled brush to blend around the area. I am using my e.l.f. bronzer palette. I'll be going over my contour areas with this. I will be using my True Color highlighter palette to highlight my high points on my face. For my blush application, I'll be using my Full Face The Gorgeous Me palette. I'll be going in with the color pink. For eyeshadow application, I'll be using my Clean Color 5 eyeshadow palette. I'll be using my highlighter from my True Color palette to highlight my brow bone. To tone down my eyeshadow, I'll be using the color brown from my palette. The mascara I'm using today is my Wet n Wild Mega Protein. The lip gloss I'll be using today is my Absolute Long Lasting Lip Gloss. I will top that off with my matte Joanna Eggplant shade lipstick. So guys, that's my final look. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments below. Toodles, have a great day. Mwah, mwah, mwah.